Oh my God, it's Grandma. We're back with Gramps. Grandma! Oh, she dead. Oh, she dead. Fat pig. Oh my God, what are those things? Don't mind if I do that. Do that. Well, you care about that, Grammy? Oh, okay. We just already started. Go, up here, up here. I can't get me up here. Oh, jeez. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Bye, Grandma. No. Oh, no. I don't think so. Yo, Grandma. Oh, see, can you feed? Oh my God. Oh. Is she mad? Yo, Grandma, what's up? Oh, Grandma, what's up? Yo, Grandma, what's up? What the? That's weird. Oh, Grandma, what's up? Oh, Grandma. Yo, Grandma, man, out of the way. Oh, Grandma. What's up, Grandma? Wait, I have an idea. Yeah. No. Let me up. Ooh, I can cook toast. What is this game, dude? Okay. No. Don't let me fall. No. Hey. Nice. Yes. I can use this to poke my grandma. Yeah. Grandma. I'm gonna kill Grandma with this. Yo, Grandma, what's up? Yeah, bang. Oh my God, I need to slash her butt. I feel like I slashed her. Well, she's not even slashing, so useless. Mom? Yo, Grandma, what's up? Yo, Grandma, I have a knife for you. You wanna cook? Wanna cook, Gram? Who are you? Who are you, bro? Why are you following me? Grandma! Yeah, that was a funny prank, wasn't it? That was a funny prank. Here, let's get somewhere. Hey, Grandma. Grandma! Oh, she's mad. Get her. Please don't follow me. Oh, I can fall asleep. Oh my God, it's the water. There we go. I gotta feed the fishes. For the last time. I hope I don't fall. Hey, yo, Grandma, why you sad? Hey, I know how to cheer you up, Grandma. I know how to cheer you up, bro. I know how to cheer you up, Grandma. That's what you get. I got pranked. No, I fell. No. Yes, books. I hate books. We don't like to study books. Yeah, Grandma, do you like books? I hate books. Who wants to read books when you can have fun and play Fortnite? Yo, Grandma, your butt is like the size of this pig because you're a fat pig. You're a fat pig. This is what it gets. What? This is what it gets. Yeah, that's what you get, Grandma. Yo, Grandma, is this your favorite vase? Well, too bad, it's broken. Oh my God, Mommy, I can't believe you're back. I'm so scared of Gramps. Oh my God, Grandma. Oh my God, Grandma is tensing me out. Oh, Mommy, help me. Psych! Ow! Yo, I'm breaking everything. I am literally breaking everything. I'm literally breaking everything and she doesn't even care. Everything. Bang! Got her knocked out. Grandma. Yo, Grandma, why you need to sit there like that? Do you need to watch a TV or something? Or do you need a rest because of me? Oh, Grandma, I got the TV for you. Now watch. Now watch the dang game. Watch it. Not even watching it. I think Grandma's mad at me for no reason. Like, bro, Grandma. In today's video, we're gonna be going up there without my grandma noticing. No. Oh yeah, I can get up here. I love how you can climb things. Come on! Ah! Come on. Why is this not working? Oh, apples. Yo, Grandma, do you want some apples? Tomatoes? Yo, Grandma. Yo, Grandma. Yo, Grandma. I gave you a tomato. Do you want to eat tomato? Say yes if you do. Oh my. Do a ragdoll if you do want a tomato. Do you want a tomato? Get rogged out. Okay, not gonna listen. Okay, now since she got that, I'm gonna feed her it. Boom! Now she got fed. I'm such a great cat. Yeah. Ah! I'm gonna try to scrape it. Okay. How is she alive? Wait, hold on. Yo, Grandma. I think Grandma needs to go to a horse's office because she keeps falling out. You know you can actually wall climb in this game. Watch this. See? Oh, come on. No! Oh my god, look at outside. It's beautiful. Yo. Meow. Yo, Grandma. I think I need to end the video here because I think Grandma is having a hard time.